Welcome to Ridge Life. I'm Tim, and today here in West Tennessee, it is deer season, whitetail deer season, and I am so excited to get out there with a rifle and have some fun. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as well. We've got a couple hunts for you today I know you don't want to miss, so stick around to the end, so let's do this. This first hunt takes place on the field next to the log home. We've taken a lot of really nice deer out of that field. Of course, we built the log home since then, and all the pressure of those dogs. You saw what happened during bow season. If you didn't, check out this video right here. I'll leave the link in the card right above me. But lots of activity going on, and we're gonna see if we can get some whitetail deer out of this field. And it is leading into winter here, guys. It is fall, the temperature is changing, the deer are moving. Let's enjoy this video. This next hunt takes place right here in this tree stand. We are just about 100 yards off from the barn and the pond. We've got the gulch over here, and this winding road runs all the way around to the field over by the log home. And lots of deer use this area as a thoroughfare, getting to and from soybean fields and bedding areas. So I love hunting up here on top of the ridge. And I think you're going to enjoy this video as well as we make the connection. Like it was a decent doe. Haven't been seeing hardly any bucks this year. You know, it's early in the season, but as you know, I didn't get a deer bow hunting, so I needed some meat in the freezer. So I said the first decent doe that comes out, especially when it's 80 degrees like it has been today. Look, I'm in a thin shirt. I'm taking a doe, getting some meat in the freezer, baby. Backstrap. 308 did the job. At least I hope it did. I think I took a good shot right on that right shoulder there. I didn't hear her crash, but let's go see if we got her. You can see where I was. Right there's the barn, the pond, and the tree stand. We're hunting over the gorge today. And let's walk on down. Let's see if we can see a blood trail. Get to tracking this big nanny. You can see my other tree stand right there, and this deer was right in here, crossed right in front of this tree stand. And you can see, gosh, it wasn't, 60 yards total from that tree stand there. We're looking for blood, looking for blood. Now it's the fall, so it's kind of hard to see all these red colors. Ooh, what I got here? What I got here? That looks like, that's lung material, guys. That is lung material. See how white and fluffy that is? Oh yeah, yeah. I don't see a lot of blood here, but that definitely looks like yeah. I think that's, oh, there's some more blood right there. Some more blood right there. You see that? All right, there's more. There's more. All right, let's track it on down. You see more right there on the ground. Yeah, it's coming out. Oh, here, right here on this branch right there. Y'all see that? All right, let's keep going. Yeah, there's some right here on this tree. You can see it all over this tree right here. Red all over it. All at the base, all at the ground. Now we just got to keep on going. See which way it went through the woods here. Now we are really, really on the blood trail now. It is, it is everywhere. Everywhere on the ground. Everywhere. Oh, she just went barreling through here. Right on this trail. This is a huge trail. We can see it coming right through here. Yeah, she's got blood everywhere. Just keep going. Oh, it's all over everything. See the blood on the sticks there. This is a really good trail, y'all can see. I expect her to see her down just right up here. Can't be much farther. Keep going. All right, there's more blood. Oh yeah, tons of blood. Around this valley here, there's some more blood right there. You can see her tracks. Come up over this ridge. Oh, I see white, guys. I see white. Let's see if we can. Yeah, she's down. Right there. Y'all see her? She is down. All right. Nice doe. Shot a little farther back than I wanted, but I definitely got her in the lung. Oh yeah. Nice doe. Nice doe. Kick this thing. Nice, yeah. Got her a little farther back than I wanted. That's the exit wound. And she was quartering away. But yeah, nice doe. I flipped her over and you can see right there. So that was a good shot. Definitely, you know, just a little bit higher than I wanted. But center of the mass there, got her lungs out. She didn't go too far. Gosh, we're probably, again, 60 yards from where I shot her. So definitely not a heart shot this time, but did the job. Let's get her back to the ridge and get her field dressed, skinned out, and put in the freezer. First deer for the season on the ridge. I know it's just a doe, but it's gonna fill that freezer, give me some backstrap for my belly, and now I can be a little more ready for that big buck when he comes out, because I know I've got meat in the freezer. That's always a good thing. Well, that wasn't the big buck we were hoping for, but guys, we'll take that doe anytime. We need meat in the freezer. If you saw our getting a bow hunting video, we didn't get one, did we? So we need to fill that freezer up. We will get back out in the woods for sure and look for that big old buck. Now, we have got a lot more videos coming here on RidgeLife, so make sure you check back very, very soon, guys. Rifle season lasts a very, very long time, so we've got a lot more time to get deer hunting videos out to you. Of course, we do all kinds of product reviews, how-tos, chickens, tractors, log homes, fishing. We do it all here on the Ridge Show. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free. Goodness gracious, hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out here on RidgeLife. So guys, until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day, happy and safe hunting, and go RidgeLife.